Storing and transporting trot lines can lead to a tangled mess. I came up with a way to organize my trot line that eliminates the mess. Begin by purchasing 3/4 inch Schedule 20 PVC pipe. Mark and cut the pipe into 16-inch segments. You will need to cut 28 pieces. Next, obtain a glue gun and a 6-gallon bucket. With the bucket on its side, lay half the pipe pieces side by side in this manner. Tack the pipe pieces together using the hot glue gun. Since the bucket is tapered, I will only glue the bottom ends of the pipe at this time. Once the glue has set up, remove the pipe and repeat this whole process with the rest of the pipe pieces. Next, set the bucket upright and place the 2 halves in the bucket. Make sure the glued ends are towards the bottom. Bind the 2 halves together at the base end using the hot glue gun. Once the glue has set, carefully turn the contents upside down on the table. Notice that the glued ends are now at the top and the loose ends are at the bottom. Pick the pipe unit up and set into the bucket with the loose ends down. The taper of the bucket will gather the ends together at the bottom of the bucket. Glue the loose ends together with a hot glue gun. After the glue has cured, remove the whole unit and thoroughly glue all seams together. The unit is now ready to receive the drop lines. Simply load each pipe with the clip end of the drop line first. Finish by hanging the hook on the top of the pipes with the barb resting safely within the provided space. Next, load the rest of the trot line items into the bucket. The trot line weight and the main line. Use the space left over for other desired items, or add a fanny pack to the outer rim of the bucket for more storage. I also recommend adding a lid or a seat to protect the contents from spilling. Enjoy having a tangle-free fishing trip.